Hello everyone, I am Srishti and I am from Bihar and currently I am pursuing my BBLLB course from Bangalore. Today I am here to speak out on the topic nepotism in professionalism. Firstly, I would like to start with the definition of nepotism, that what actually nepotism means. Nepotism means when a person who is in power or authority does favor for his family or friends to get a certain job or to boost their professional career. According to me, this is a scenario which does injustice for the more deserving persons. As we all know that every person does a lot of struggle, does a lot of efforts to attain certain goals and have a strong professional career. They start with getting a good job, good education, and then getting into good college, because that will become the backbone for their professional career. The people who have no supporting mentor or no supporting family background have to struggle a lot compared to the person who have a strong family background, strong financial status, as many people who are more deserving, more talented and more hardworking lose a chance due to nepotism, because the person who has a better contact and better connection in senior authorities gets the chance, but the person who are more deserving never get a chance. They never get a chance to stand out. There have been many cases where deserving candidates and people who have not even given a particular job or promotion, even when they were more knowledgeable, more skillful, everything, they are best, but they never get a chance. This certainly demotivates and frustrates the peoples who are actually working and suffering. Similarly, in getting admissions in college also, this is a concern, as in many cases much more deserving and hardworking candidates might lose their chance. There are many industries where nepotism is more rampant, like in political industry, movie industry or corporate industry. Son of a political leader becomes a politician, a son of an actor become an actor, a son of a CEO of the company becomes the CEO. This is because the easier path is carved for the family and friends to succeed in life, but the hardworking are left behind. According to me, nepotism is just an open door for the near and dear ones to make their life easier and remain struggle for those who are equally well trained, talented and knowledgeable. Hence it creates imbalance in equal opportunity, is because the equal opportunity is not provided to everyone. Nepotism exists because the people who are in power or authority wanted the best for their family instead of wanting the place or post to be in the best hand. At last, I just wanted to say that as we all know that there is no substitute for hard work and talent, and yes, hard work and talent never fails, it always finds a way to succeed. Thank you.